There are so many things which make Diwali so special and close to your heart. The lights, candles, mithai, and most importantly, precious time you spend with your friends and family. We have curated 3 delicious yet super easy snacks which you can whip up in no time. So first up, we have the super cute mini pizzas. They are easy to make and easy to eat. All that we need: 1 large capsicum chopped, 1 large tomato chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 30 grams sweet corn kernels, 6 mini pizza base, 60 grams Dr Oetker Fun Foods pizza topping, 60 grams cheese grated, oregano and chili flakes optional. Mix it well. Spread 1 big spoon of Dr Oetker Fun Foods pizza topping on your pizza base. Top it up with vegetables and lots of cheese. Now we're gonna bake our mini pizzas in a preheated oven for 4 to 5 minutes until the cheese melts and the pizzas turn slightly brown. Now our mini pizzas are ready. Next up, we have the spicy, tangy bruschettas made with Dr Oetker Fun Foods pasta and pizza sauce. For the bruschettas, you will need oil, chopped garlic, chopped red, yellow, green bell peppers, sweet corn kernels, salt, black pepper powder, Dr Oetker Fun Foods pasta and pizza sauce, garlic bread, few black olives. To make it, heat oil in a pan and add garlic. Add to it red, yellow and green bell peppers and sweet corn. Saute these vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes and season with salt and pepper. Now we're gonna put the sauteed vegetables in a bowl. Put 3 big spoons of Dr Oetker Fun Foods pasta and pizza sauce. Take your toasted garlic bread. Spread your mix on your garlic bread and garnish with black olives. Looks delicious and crunchy. Your guests are gonna love it. Loaded nachos are not only easy to make, but they're also a perfect party snack for your Diwali. All you need is nachos, chopped onions, sweet corn, crumbled paneer, Dr Oetker Fun Foods Veg Mayonnaise Original, red chili powder, chopped coriander leaves. Place your nachos on a nice serving plate. Top it up with onion, sweet corn, and crumbled paneer. Drizzle Dr Oetker Fun Foods Veg Mayonnaise Original. Sprinkle chili powder and coriander leaves. And that's literally it. It won't take you more than 5 minutes and your guests will enjoy this super creamy snack. Dr Oetker family wishes you all a safe, prosperous and a very, very happy Diwali.